Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show how to add additional fields to journal transaction screen. I would like to indicate a department in each of my transactions, and for that I just need additional field to appear in the list. Currently I don't have a department field here, so I'm just going to add it using customization. I switch on the customization. I'll create a new project called Acumatica. And then I switch on the customization mode. Under my control tree I will see all the fields that I have on the grid area. So now I'm going to add additional field to the grid area. And because my department field has some properties that I'm going to use, what I need to do, I need to copy the properties of that field from the existing screen in the system. So where do I have department? For example, I know that I have department field under my organization time and expense module. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to that module. So first I close this screen. I go to expense claim module to get details about my department field. So here I have a department field, and I just would like to use the same department structure in my journal. So I open, enter page design mode in the expense claim field, and I just check the attributes of the existing field. So I just copy it into a clipboard. That's it. Then I exit design mode on this screen and go back to my journal screen. Now I'm going to add a new field to my detail grid area. So the field is 10 characters long, so I'll just add a new field, click add column to a grid, and then I just indicate what data field will it be. I'm going to add a new field here, and I'm gonna call this field, let's say, department, and I give it a name, department. Type of the field will be a string or n-bar char in the SQL notation. Length I'll make it same as department in my time and expense screen, 10 characters. And here I will use type of the field called selector, because I would like to use the same function for department as I have on my expense claim screen, where I can click magnifying glass and I can choose from the list of the departments. So I just click OK, and the field has been added. It's placed at the end of the grid, and then later on when I finish the customizing it, I'll just put it in front. Now I need to add the attributes to this field. By default, system adds some basic attributes. I just need to replace it with what I've had copied from the from my time and expense screen. The only difference that is because I'm using here I'm at general ledger module, and general ledger module doesn't have a link to employee portal, so I just need to indicate here that I'm linking it to employee portal. And on my expense claim, the system defaults me a department from my own employee code. I don't need to default, I need to have a choice to choose between different departments. So that's it. I modified it a little bit, and I click OK now, and I apply it to the page. Basically, by modifying the existing strings, I have just removed what I don't need on journal transaction screen. That's it. I didn't add anything. And then I just validate and publish my customization. System will automatically check if any error in my customization. If there is an error, it will pop up the message. If there is no error, then it will go directly to a publishing section. So now I can publish the customization, and customization is supposed to be applied immediately to my system. Okay, the website has been updated. Now I can close this window and switch off the customization. So I simply exit the page design mode. Now let me check if I have, okay, I'll exit the page design mode, and now let me check if I have the new department screen. Yes, I have a department ID that appeared here in the journal, and let me check where this department ID is. It's at the end of the screen, and you may notice that this field is disabled. So when I try to enter it, let me align the field. This field is disabled. So when I try to enter the account, and why it's disabled? Because it copied actually this property from the time and expense screen where we by default keep it disabled. So let me just unhide it. So next step will be, I would like to make this field to be editable. So I would like to put the data there. So I open the customization mode again. System is warning me I entered the data here, never mind. And then I go to Control 3 again, choose my field that I have just added. This is the department field. I go to attributes again, the place where I added, and I can see here that enabled equal false means that the field is disabled. So I make it true, and then I apply it again. Now the field is open. So after I validate and publish my customization, the field will be available for edit. Okay, system have published my customization. Now I have to switch off the design mode. Yep. It just takes time to refresh the screen for the server. Now I have, I just check the field is here. Let me align the screen. Now you can see the department field is available, and I can choose from a list of department. So this way I can add in 8 minutes I was able to add a field with the lookup capability, existing field from my system that I maintain somewhere, but here I just wanted to add a new values for my transactions based on the validation coming from existing department list. And